You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 42, updating a major incident after a breach call. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in into home.atlassian as our primary account. So as you can see, I am logged in with my primary account. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Under Space, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management and we'll open the incident on which we are working, which is all users unable to send and receive emails. And then now let's move ahead. We are going to scroll down in middle panel. Under Activities, we are going to click on Comments. We are in Comments, and then we will click on Notify Stakeholders. We will select Major Incident Template and we will just update it . We had a meeting and have identified possible cause. We will keep you updated. Okay. Click on Send. Again, under Activities, we'll click on Add Internal Note. We will notify the team that we need to restart Exchange server. Click on Save. And now we are going to reply customer. So starting with stakeholder, internal note and customer. Now we are notifying customer. We have identified root cause. Okay, click on Save. So what we did, we are providing update in three major areas. First, stakeholders. Stakeholders can be application owner or a vendor who are also using this service. And then we have customer who has raised the request, first point of contact, and then internal team. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.